This portion of the question is asking what price Leona should charge in order to maximize her profits. And so what we need to know to answer that question is marginal revenue equals marginal cost. It's the optimum output rule, regardless of the market structure. So we figured out the marginal revenues in this column by comparing multiplying the quantity of megawatts by the price per megawatt. We get total revenue. So then we just need to calculate marginal revenue. So when we go from 1 kilowatt to 2, we go from $550 to $1,000. So the marginal revenue is $450. Then marginal revenue, the next one is $350, $250, $150, $50, and now we're into negative territory. And so units 7 and 8 we already know are not going to happen. Then we look at our costs, our total costs. We have to calculate the marginal cost, which is just the change in cost over the change in output. So when we go from 1 megawatt, it's $1,000, to 2 megawatts, it's $1,075. So the marginal cost is $75. The next one is going to be $125. Next one's $175, $225, $275, and we don't really care about 7 and 8 because we know we're not going to do those two as options because they actually reduce our revenue. So what we're looking for is the last place where marginal revenue is greater than or equal to marginal cost. We see that 2 megawatts makes sense because it brings in $450, only cost me $75. $350 cost me $125, that's a good deal. Bring in $250, cost me $175, also a good deal. The fifth one brings in $150 and cost me $225. That's not a good deal. That's not efficient. And so we would look at 4 megawatts and charge $400 per megawatt to maximize our profits in this example.